Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Proxy with DICloak browser. Here we see their pricing plans. They have free version with 5 profiles. As you downloaded the browser, open it and click Create Profile on the top left corner. Now we should give profile name. For me it's ProxyEmpire. Let's go to Proxy setting and choose Custom Proxy. We need to choose proxy type, choose HTTP or SOCKS 5, we support both. Let's go to our ProxyEmpire account and choose country, region, city and ICP based on your needs. For me it's United Kingdom, London. Copy the host and paste it. Copy the port and paste it too. Now copy and paste username and do same with password. Scroll a little bit down and click on the button Checking Proxy. We see that connection test succeeds. Now let's click on the button Confirm on the bottom right corner and open the browser. Browser is opened. We see our geolocation is United Kingdom, London. It means everything is installed properly. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and good luck.